Welcome to episode 5 of the Drawing Master series. Today, we step into the third dimension. By adding depth to our basic shapes, we create volume. We will learn to draw the cube, the cylinder, and the cone, the building blocks of everything from buildings to trees. Let's start building. Exercise 1. The cube. A cube is built from two overlapping squares connected by parallel diagonal lines. This creates the illusion of depth. Tip: ensure all your connecting lines are parallel to each other. This is the secret to a perfect geometric cube. Draw the front, then the back, then connect. Exercise 2. The cylinder. A cylinder combines two ellipses with two vertical parallel lines. It represents objects like pipes, bottles, and tree trunks. Tip: the curve of the bottom ellipse must match the curve of the top one. Keep your vertical lines perfectly straight to maintain the structure. Exercise 3. The cone. The cone starts with an ellipse base and meets at a single point called the apex. Tip: find the center of your base ellipse first, then move straight up to mark the apex. Connect the sides with smooth, confident strokes to create a sharp point. Excellent progress today. You've mastered the primary 3D forms. These shapes are the foundation of all realistic drawing. Practice drawing them from different angles to understand perspective. In our next lesson, we will begin shading these forms to create light and shadow. Keep practicing.